Oppo is preparing the terrain for a new smartphone for the K9 series. This growing family of Oppo mid-rangers gained multiple variants in recent months. However, it's not enough for the Chinese firm as another device is coming and the specs are promising. If you recall, this device has visited TINA certification last week. Now, leaksters from China are claiming that the new device will sport the Oppo K9X moniker. It is quite similar to the Realme Q3 from the outside, however, it's a different smartphone under the hood. The big difference on the Oppo K9X is the MediaTek Dimensity 900 SoC. This chipset is yet to become popular as its higher and lower brothers, but is something that MediaTek offers for the upper mid-range segment. It's another of the company's chipsets using TSMC 6nm architecture. It brings two ARM Cortex-A78 cores clocked at up to 2.4 GHz plus 6 power-efficient ARM Cortex-A55 cores clocked at up to 2.0 GHz. There is also a very capable Mali G68MC4 GPU. According to fresh reports, the Oppo K9X will go on sale on December 12 in China. It will be available in 3 memory variants and at affordable prices. The Oppo Reno 6 is another device that has the Dimensity 900 but is priced higher. The K9X will offer users the opportunity to have this chipset at a lower budget. Most of the Oppo K9X specifications have emerged on TINA. The device has a 6.5-inch Full HD resolution display with a punch hole for the 16MP selfie snapper. As per the leakster, the handset has a 120 Hz refresh rate, and the front-facing sensor is a Sony IMX471. The rear camera department is led by an OmniVision OM64B sensor with 0.7 sized pixels and 1/1.97 size. The 5000 mAh battery will be charged through the USB Type-C port. The Oppo will bring 30W VOOC 4.0 fast